Hi there, welcome to Jane Sees the World. Today I'm going to be doing a little product review of the Trtl Novell's travel pillow. Hi there, thanks for joining us here at Jane Sees the World. We're just a couple of average gals who love to see and explore the world in our spare time, which isn't that much because we have full-time jobs. If that sounds familiar to you, go ahead and subscribe. We'd love to hear from you and to hear all of your travel tips and tricks. Today, I'm doing a little product review of the Trtl travel pillow. Trtl spelled with no vowels. I'd seen this one and was intrigued. I have a couple of other travel pillows that I've tried. Truth of the matter is I don't sleep well on airplanes. I take medicine and that helps, but I'm just not one of those that conks out. So I'm always looking for a good travel pillow to help me sleep. And again, saw this one, was intrigued. I waited till it came on sale. Amazon, I don't remember if it was like a Cyber Monday or a Black Friday, I'm not really sure, but it came on sale and I was like, I'm gonna go for it. There were several colors to choose from, which was kind of fun. I went with red. I love red. And when it came, pros, it's very lightweight. This isn't gonna take up hardly any room in your bag. It's quite soft, which is really nice. And it's not flat, but it doesn't take up a whole lot of room, right? Like you can pack stuff around it. Some of the other travel pillows out there really take up a lot of room, and this one doesn't take up a lot of room. So those are the pros. The cons, this nice fleece that is so soft is actually kind of hot. I ended up waking up from my not very good sleep on the airplane to being a little sweaty, but I was too tired to deal with it, and so I just kind of kept on. So if you are ready to get kind of warm on the plane, this might not be super helpful. If you kind of run cold, maybe you'll like this. The other thing I don't really like much about it is, and it's not that big of a deal, but you can only kind of pick one side initially to relax on, go to sleep. If all of a sudden you want to do this, you can't. Now, however, if you're up and you're like, oh, I feel like switching the side, then you can switch the side and go like this. But there's no kind of back and forth situation. You have to pick a side and go for it. Which brings us to using the pillow itself. You ready for this? Nice Velcro. It's kind of weird, but they give you some instructions. And you can take these off. I've left them on because I still get confused when I do it. Place neck here. So you kind of get it on the side that you want and get it adjusted a little bit. And then you grab a hold, pull tight, get it like this. And then you get your face all squished up and you attempt to sleep. And actually, it's pretty comfortable. I'm not gonna lie. But again, if I want to move over to this other side, I can't. I have to move the whole pillow. And I'm already getting a little hot in this thing. So, yes, if I want to do the other side, do this and pull it. You can also do the jaw. So if you're like a lean forward kind of person, you can do this. So the Trtl, no vowels, is a good option. It's not a bad travel pillow. Is it going to revolutionize your sleep on an airplane? Probably not. It certainly didn't do it for me. But it is a nice, like I said, a nice option. It's very soft. It's very lightweight. And if you really just sleep on one side, then I suggest you go with this one. If you like, please subscribe, please like, and let us know if you've got any favorite travel pillows, because like I said, I'm always looking for a good one.